In this quick and easy tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to order from W11stop.com. First, navigate to our website and browse our products. You can search by category, brand, or keyword. Simply click on the product you're interested in to learn more. Once you've found the product you want, click the Add to Cart button. Now click on the shopping cart icon to view your cart, review your items, and if everything looks good, click Checkout. Next, enter your shipping and billing information. Make sure to fill out all required fields accurately. Now choose your payment method and click on these boxes to agree privacy policy and terms and conditions. And after that, click on Confirm Order. Congratulations! Your order has been placed successfully. You'll receive an email confirmation with your order details. That's it! Ordering from our website is easy and convenient.